Okay, this is my Harbor Freight Chicago Electric plastic welding kit, and we are going to do a little demonstration on how that works. It is item number 96712 at Harbor Freight, and what we're going to do with it is fix this gas can right here that has a hole punctured into it. Here's the plastic welder, and it's got a little temperature thing on the back. Well, it's got a switch. It's got a switch right here, on-off switch, and then it's got a temperature controller right down here on the bottom, and you can turn that up to get real high heat, or you can work at it with a lower temperature. So what we're going to do is fix this gas can, as I was saying, right here. And what you use are these, you can use either these plastic welding rods, and you can get these at Harbor Freight too. This is a pack of 3 different types: PVC, polypropylene, and ABS plastics. Or if you don't want to use a welding rod that doesn't match your plastic, you can just find the same type of plastic. In this case, I'm going to use a coffee can, which on the bottom of the can it says HDPE, high density polyethylene, number 2. When we're all done with the weld, the way to test it is to blow into the fill spout, and then hold your hand over this and see if any air comes out. I didn't feel anything. Okay. Try it again here. Alright, so we got pour a little gas in here. So here's the test. Dry. So in conclusion, I'm going to have to say I love my plastic welding kit from Harbor Freight. It does everything that I expected it to do, and it does it well. Oh, one thing, I wanted to say about this at the very end. Always, if you get one of these things, make sure that you turn your heat down and let this thing run, continue running until you can't feel any heat coming out of the tip. Otherwise, you'll damage your heater coil inside if you don't let that cool out properly. So that's the only thing you got to be aware of about these things. But other than that, boy, you can fix a lot of stuff.